Namaste. My name is Priya Nayak Gole, and I have been a part of this third batch of Ashtanga primary series with Sayujya Yoga. And in one word, if my experience has to be told, it is incredible. It has been intense learning because I am no yoga teacher. I have just been practicing for a little over 2 years, and the kind of knowledge that I have gained from this is mind blowing. uh, they helped me correct my postures and alignments, which I realized was very vital to avoid aches and pains, particularly when we practice different kinds of asanas. What I also learned was it's not important what kind of complex pose you take or what you aim for, but what is important is how you do it, and your preps should be good. So this is something it's a take home message that I shall always remember, and I thank Hardik ji for being very patient with me and handling all my queries whenever I have come up with them. Thank you. Namaste.